So let me show you step by step how to remove limit from Google Drive. So the first thing you should do after you open the Google Drive, now you go to this My Drive button. So after you come to My Drive, now you find the file that you shared and it has limit. So now I'll show you two methods on how to do this. So the first thing now, if it is folder, right click on the folder. Let's say I shared this folder, but it has limit. I want to now remove the limit. So right click on the folder and then go to this share. So click on the share again. After you come to this option, then now you click on this and select this viewer, and then you click on the settings at the top. So now you uncheck this one. After you uncheck this option, so now you go back and then now you copy the link and then you click on this down button. So now if you share the link of this folder, now the person can be able to access the folder without the limit. So next now, if you share a file like a single file, a video or any file, just single file, so now like click on the file. After you right click on the file, go to the share and then click on share again. So from this option now, click on this and choose anyone with the link and then choose viewer in this option and then click on this option now and make sure you check this one, editor. So and check this commenter at the same time. So after you give the access to editor and commenter, so now you click on this back. So now you copy the link. After you copy the link, now if you share the link of this file, click on this done. So now if you share the link of this file, now the person can be able to access the file without the limit. And that's it guys on how to remove limit from Google Drive. If this video helps, like, subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.